Hey everybody, how you doing today? Well, iRacing this week has rolled out the NASCAR Artificial Intelligence, or the AI, racing at two tracks, Daytona and Talladega, and I've been on it a couple times. This is just absolutely fantastic. If you're here, you're wondering how you can be racing against the old timers like Dale Earnhardt, Darrell Waltrip, the Allisons, Cale Yarborough, all the rest of those, or how you can race with the current NASCAR roster of drivers. I'm going to show you how to do it here today. Stick around, let's go. The first thing you need to do is head over to tradingpaints.com. This website interfaces with iRacing in order to show the paints on the cars. You need to register and become a member there. They have a free version and a pro version, a paid version, which is about $24 a year. You'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Install. Then install this program from Trading Paints. This program runs in the background, and as I said, it is what allows Trading Paints to interface with iRacing. Okay, you're registered with Trading Paints and you have the program installed on your computer. Back at the home page here of Trading Paints, click on Showroom. You'll see the drop-down menu. Go to Collections. Okay, and here's where they are. You'll see some of them have the Pro designation. Those are the ones that are available for the paid members. But if you scroll down a little bit, okay, here we go. Here's the one that I'm using currently, 1980 to 1990s Cup by Nate Lynch. This is a free version. You click on that, and here are all the cars in this collection. Click on Favorite, which I've already done. I've favorited it. Then you can go back to the main page, and there's a couple other free ones down here. '80 to 1990s Cup. Fanasa Arca Series. 2019 series, current drivers of last year, that's a free one. So each one of these that you may want to use, open up the collection and then click on favorite. You can see I've already got it favorited. Okay, well, we're done here. Back over here at iRacing, go to the AI Racing menu. Okay, up here you'll see this tab up here, Saved Opponent Rosters. When you click on that, now those Trading Paints collections will show as opponent rosters in your AI menu. You can see here I've got the 1980 to 1990s Cup, 1998 NASCAR AI, 2020 Monster Energy Cup with formula ratings. I'll get into that just a little bit later here. Then you can see the others that I've created or have gotten from tradingpaints.com. Now when you create an AI session, whether it's a single race or a season, when you're going through the steps here to set this up, when you get to Set AI, here the opponent roster, drop-down menu, and here is where those Trading Paints collections are stored. You select one, and there it is. I mentioned earlier that there was a formula on the ratings. I'm not sure how these guys create these collections. I haven't even looked into that. But what they can do is they can change the strength and the characteristics of each individual AI driver. So here we have Dale Earnhardt. This little icon right here, More AI Settings. You click on that and you can see the various parameters of this driving character for this AI driver, Dale Earnhardt. Relative skill of 96, aggression 92, optimism 89. You can hover your mouse over these little question marks to figure out what this means. And you can adjust these slider bars. And then if you were to set a slider at a certain, like the skill level, you can see here you can set to all drivers. Now, these guys that have created these collections have these set based on what they feel each driver characteristic should be. There's probably a default, but I have gone through this and can see that each driver has a different skill level. Here Jeff Gordon has 93. Up here Dale Earnhardt has 96. You can customize these if you want. As I've been downloading these collections, having just get into this, I'm just leaving them the way they are right now. Now let's say for some reason or other I were to find that I didn't like the relative skill of Dale Earnhardt, not enough or too much, I can adjust this slider, click save, you're good to go. So there you go. That's how you get the custom paint schemes in the AI racing in iRacing utilizing tradingpaints.com. All right, guys, thank you very much. Hope you can take something from this. We'll talk to you later. See ya.